KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD-MAX 8x8 is a matrix for audio with 8 inputs and 8 outputs. Now, each of those 8 inputs has analog and digital connectors, making this actually a 16 by 8 matrix switcher, where each of your 8 outputs can select any of those 16 audio sources at any time and in any configuration. A primary application for MAX 8x8 is going to be a bar restaurant application, and that's what we've depicted here, and we want to walk you through a typical scenario for the installation of MAX 8x8 in the sports bar. Here we have 6 DirecTV receivers. We have input 7 being shared for digital and analog off of the cable and DVD players, and input 8 being shared digital and analog from the music streamer and a signage PC. Those 8 outputs feed amplifiers leading to each of these 8 zones, and we're able to provide friendly naming so that we can configure MAX 8x8 setting very easily using the KeyDigital management software. We could set friendly names where we could apply entrance, bar dining, dining room, etc. for our zones, DirecTV 1, 2, 3, 4 for our sources, etc. We are able to select switching so that each audio zone could listen to a desired source. And as we select our audio zone, we can control muting and volume levels. And here's the best thing. This is with KeyDigital's free app. Of course, it's also controllable by any third-party professional control system, such as KeyDigital's Compass Control Professional, Crestron, RTI, AMX, etc. can all control this as well via RS-232, TCP/IP, IR, etc. But even with the free app, I'm able to then go ahead and call macros like open and close, create macros as the bar restaurant staff, which will then configure my KD-MAX 8x8 exactly with a single button press, exactly as needed for opening the restaurant, closing the restaurant, or setting any desired amount of presets for your typical uses. So for more information on KeyDigital KD-MAX 8x8 and the KeyDigital app, you find it all at KeyDigital.com. KeyDigital's KD-Amp 220 is a 2-channel 20-watt amplifier, Class D digital amplifier, ideal for conference rooms, classrooms, and any small to medium-sized room that just needs a little bit of speech enforcement and sound enforcement. The Amp 220 has a microphone input that allows you to provide phantom powering, if you wish, to that microphone, and 2 analog audio inputs, one on 6-pin Phoenix connector and the other on a 3.5 mini connector. So you could choose between input 1 or 2, and it's going to be a mixture of the microphone plus the selected source. On the output side, we have our speaker outputs. We have 40 watt 8 ohms, or 2 at 20 watt to get to 8 ohms, and an audio pass-through as well. It's controllable via RS-232 or IR, in addition to the front panel, so you can integrate it with all of your professional AV control systems like KeyDigital's Compass Control Pro and more. So for more information on KD-Amp 220, you just head over to KeyDigital.com. KeyDigital's KDX444L is a revolutionary HD-based-T extender set where you are able to extend HDMI 2.0 specification signals. That means up to 18 gigabits per second over a single network wire, 100 meters. Now, X444L has such a plethora of integration tools, troubleshooting tools. They are power over HD-based-T. Both units have power connections. We only include one power supply in the box. You only need to connect whatever is going to be most convenient for you. They have IR sensor powering, so you can mount an IR sensor at your display to control a source that is hidden, out of sight, out of mind. Hot plug detection control. By setting the control rotary to the settings that are documented in the manual, you can force hot plug detection voltage, therefore informing your transmitter, your receiver, that you have a live partner on the other end of the cable. EDID control, set on the transmitter, this allows you, the integrator, to provide the desired HDMI handshake to your source to ensure it's going to be compatible through your AV system. The full buffer system, where we do all software authentication to the source and to the display, and support for HDR10, meaning each EDID handshake with 4K actually has HDR nested, HDR header information nested inside of that handshake. And as mentioned before, you got 4K signals up to 18 gigabits per second, which is going to be a huge, huge benefit for AV systems integrators looking to do the highest signal possible, the highest resolution, the latest features. For more information on X444L, you head over to KeyDigital.com and check out our HD-based T extender section.